thunder, 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 feel the thunder, lightning.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to Ava's channel. And today on Ava's channel, I'm going to be recreating famous slimes from Famous Slimers. So, without further ado, before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button to give me some support and comment down below hashtag I did it so you can get a shout out on the next video, or hit that notification bell and to become part of the hashtag notification squad, and then comment down below hashtag notification squad, and you can also get a shout out on the next video, or go to my Instagram ava.howard, comment on my latest post hashtag notification squad, and you can also get a shout out on the next video. Or hit that subscribe button, comment down below hashtag AvaFam, and you can also get a shout out on the next video. Also comment down below some suggestions I should do for my next video. Also, if you do all three of those things, comment down below I did all three of those things, and comment like your Instagram, your Musical.ly, your Snapchat, your anything, your YouTube or something, and I will give you a shout out on there so you guys can have some people to go over there, follow you, and give you some support. But I will also link some of my social medias right here so you guys can go check them out and give me some support, and I will also link some of my upcoming videos so you guys can go check. Stay tuned, and you can also wait until they come out. Anyways, let's get started. So this first slime is Strawberry Banana Tricks Yogurt by Glitter Slimes. This was inspired from Sweet Slimes Studio. I actually watched her video and I thought it'd be cool to recreate it. I'm not trying to copy her in any way. I just thought, why don't we do it again, and maybe more people can see it too if you haven't checked out her videos. But make sure you guys go check out her videos. So what you'll be needing for this recipe is white glue, pink and yellow coloring, baby oil is optional, little bit of water, and some activators. So this is Strawberry Banana Tricks Yogurt Slime by Glitter Slimes. So I'll try to give you guys a good view, but that is hard. Okay. So first what you're going to do is you're going to take some white PVA glue and you're going to pour that in. So first you are going to add glue in, and then I'm going to take some lotion. This is optional too, and I'm just going to add some lotion. And the glue I am using is Crazy Art glue, and I use this La Plum Spa product. It's for it's from, yeah, it's just like a spa thing. Then the next thing I'm going to do is pour in some baby oil. This is optional, but after you do that, then you can add in your water, which you're just going to add a tiny bit, like that much, and you are going to mix that in your slime. So then after you mix it all, so I'm just going to mix this really quick and for you. Okay, then after you do that, you're going to add in your coloring, and you're going to need a white or a pink slime and a yellow slime. So I'm going to make my yellow slime first. Also, just a little heads up, I'm using the same recipe for the pink slime. So I'm just going to do these steps again, but I'm just showing you how to make the yellow one so you guys know how to make the pink one. Because I'm not going to show you how to make the pink one on camera, because I'm just following the same recipe that I used. And then after you have that your slime. You're going to activate it. What I use as my activator is baking soda. So I'm going to stir that in. Some baking soda, and I use some contact lens solution. And then I just start activating my slime. So I'm going to get my slimes activated and I'll show you the final product. So I just got finished with my yellow slime. These are both really thick and glossy slimes. So like if you were just making a normal slime and you didn't want to make this, these would be like awesome slimes. But now what you do is you mix them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like do this, and then like I'm going to put them together, make them into like a circle, and then boom, you have your strawberry banana tricks yogurt slime. Also, guys, to tell you guys, like you don't want like a lot of pink coloring because the pink's kind of light. I kind of did a lot of coloring on the pink, so it made it like this color. Also, this color is gonna turn out like a peachy color because but this is like a really thick, crunchy, glossy. It's just everything. So now I'm gonna have a little ASMR for you guys. But if you want to see some better ASMRs, go check out my slime Instagram. The next slime we are recreating is Tiara Milk Tea from slime_OG, so slime OG, and this is also inspired by Sweet Slime Studio. Go check out her channel, subscribe, and give her some support. I just saw this on hers and I thought, why don't I recreate it so more people can see it? What you'll be needing for this is you'll be needing white glue, purple food coloring activator, and some clay, Daiso clay or Model Magic clay. And what I'm adding to this slime is I'm adding lotion and I'm adding shaving cream. That's just me. You don't have to add that at all. I'm just adding it because I feel like it just needs that. So the first thing you're going to do is pour your glue in. Okay. Then after you pour your glue in, this is optional. I'm just going to squirt some lotion in. I don't know if I said, but you also will be needing purple food coloring. I don't know if I said that. The next thing I'm going to do is add my shaving cream. This is also optional. I'm just adding it because I feel like it needs a thick, like not like thicker, but like fluffier, thicker texture. So that's just me. You do not have to do this. I'm just doing it because I think it just needs it. Okay, so then after you add that, you're going to add your purple food coloring. So I'm just going to add well, actually, I'll start off with one drop. If I need to, then I'll see what I don't think. And this shaving cream is a little different because it's from Dollar Tree and it's the cheap kind, because I don't feel like wasting like money on like expensive stuff or expensive shaving cream when I can get the shaving cream that works just fine. That's just my opinion. And it on camera it looks like not even a color, but it is like brighter. It's just you want a lighter because it's like it's kind of like lavender color. So then after you do that, you're going to activate it. And what I'm using for my activator is same method as last time, baking soda and contact solution. But first I'm going to mix this into my slime, and then I am going to activate it. So I'll back when I'm done activating. So I am using Model Magic. She did use Daiso clay, but like I don't have Daiso clay. So I am using Model Magic, and I just added some lotion to it. And I'm adding a little bit of Model Magic because Model Magic has like a thicker texture, and it makes the slimes like thicker. So I meant not thicker, like more like harder. So that's why I'm just adding a little bit into this lavender slime. Lavender, Tierra Milk Tea by OG Slimes. Honestly, this is an actually really nice thick slime. Like, it's a really nice thick slime, and I actually really love this slime. It's pretty good. And also, what I do sometimes when I add clay is I add some, like, especially like Model Magic, I usually add some lotion just to kind of like get that Model Magic clay to like absorb it, so it will make it more stretchy. But so this is the slime. So super nice. Pretty stretchy. So here's a little ASMR. If you want to see a better ASMR, make sure you guys go check out my slime Instagram. I will get on to the next slime. So the next slime we are making is called Rainbow Chip Frosting by Glitter Slimes. So this is also another Glitter Slimes recipe. This is inspired by Talissa Tolzel. I'll link it up on the screen. Go check her out, subscribe to her, and she kind of inspired me to do this. I thought if I did it, then more people could see it than just like the people that she has. What you'll be needing for this slime is glue, shaving cream, or foaming hand soap. She used foaming hand soap, but I didn't have any foaming hand soap, so I'm going to be using shaving cream. You'll also be needing some rainbow foam beads, and you'll be needing activator. The things that I'm going to be adding in this is I'm going to be adding some water and some lotion. And she just had it white with foam beads, but I wanted to make it like a colored slime, so I'm going to color it a color. That's also optional. So the things that I showed, like water, lotion, and food coloring, are optional. I just thought they needed it for the slime, and so I kind of added a twist onto the slime recipe. So first, what you're going to be doing is you are going to add some glue in here. I am using Crazy Art glue, washable glue. It says slime recipe at, and then it says their account stuff. I'm just using this, and also I found out that Crazy glue is kind of thicker. Also, Glue All is thick too. So, I mean, I just found that out. And I didn't like the bottles I usually get. They're usually not as thick. Like Elmer's glue isn't. So I'm adding this water. I just added, and then I'm just gonna stir that up. Also, a fact: we have 2 days until Christmas, guys. Or actually, when you guys watch this video, we'll have 1 day till Christmas because I'll upload it on Christmas Eve, which is tomorrow, and also my Christmas, my video that will come out on Christmas Day will actually be like a, now I'm adding some lotion, hold on, will actually be like a Merry Christmas video and like showing you some stuff that I've already got, because I've already had like 5 Christmases, so it will be like a vlog of what I'm doing tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But I will be doing a Christmas haul, so stay tuned for that. I'm just not gonna like, I'll be going to my dad's on Christmas Day, so I won't be able to like vlog and stuff, so I thought if I just vlogged on Christmas Eve and uploaded it on Christmas Day, then you guys can see that. So it's just basically a Christmas Eve vlog and stuff, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, now I'm gonna add some shaving cream. I'm actually not gonna add a lot because I don't want this to be a thick slime. I don't want it to be like super fluffy slime. I just kind of want it to have a little fluffy. But yeah, just stay tuned for my Christmas, like haul video won't come out until about January, because I have a Christmas January 6th, and that will be my last Christmas, so my Christmas haul won't be till later, which I just didn't want to like do a Christmas haul and then like have a Christmas on January 6th and not be able to show you that. So I just thought, why not just wait until January 6th, and then I'll upload I'm just going to do a pink, I'm doing a pink slime. Anyway, as I was saying, so yeah, I'll just upload it to January, so yeah. But anyways, so this will be up tomorrow, so happy Christmas Eve, guys. Like, I'm so excited for Christmas. Stay tuned for tomorrow, because I actually had a Christmas tonight, and I had one Thursday, and I had one Tuesday, and I had 2 Christmases last week, I think. Yeah. So yeah, just make sure you guys are staying tuned for my Christmas one. So now I'm just adding my activator in here. Okay. And then I'm just going to activate this slime, and I'll show you guys at the end. So now I kept it a little sticky, because you kind of, when you add your foam beads, you want it to be sticky so that they will stick to the slime. You're not going to add a lot of rainbow foam beads, you're just going to add a tiny bit, so I will show you when I'm done. So this is about how much foam beads I added. I did not add a lot because I told you guys it is not a full-on foam bead slime. So I just added a tiny bit. And yeah, so this slime is called, I will show you a little ASMR in just a second. So this is I forgot what it's called. This is the Rainbow Chip Frosting Slime inspired by, slime by Glitter Slimes, and inspired by, look at skip back if you forgot what her name is, but I will link it so you guys can check it out. This is a thick, nice slime. It has the perfect amount of foam beads in it, and I love the color. I'm happy I did pink instead of just keeping it white, because I do have a white slime that's called cake batter, and it's white, and it has rainbow foam beads in it, and that would make no sense if I had another, So just to make like it my original slime, I'm gonna actually call it Pink Rainbow Frosting Chip, because it's pink and it's not white. So it's perfect. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and into the outro.
Down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever,